Oh no, what have we done, love?
This is the damage. Wow.
No! Hi guys, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be organizing, cleaning, purging out my pantry, and this is part 3 of our organization series. The first one was my closet, second was my refrigerator, and now we are doing my pantry. And I'm gonna keep it real with you guys and tell you I did my very best to put off doing this video as much as I possibly can because my pantry was a mess, okay? It was so chaotic in there. I did not like being in there. Literally every time I had to grab something from my pantry, I'm just like in and out because you'll see in a few seconds how messy and chaotic my pantry was. So this was definitely a video that, oh, it was like one of those videos that you did not want to do, but you know you had to do it. Before we get started though, I definitely wanted to thank Arnold, aka my husband, for helping me clean and organize my pantry. I literally know so many people who don't like to clean, do not like to organize, and he's just so good at cleaning and organizing, and I got really lucky, okay? My pantry was definitely a lot harder to clean and organize. Like my closet was manageable, the refrigerator was a little hard, but again, manageable, but the pantry, you guys, it was never ending. I thought it would never end because with food, you have to take those extra steps, right? You have to be extra cautious with what you're keeping or you're not keeping because at the end of the day, those food inside the pantry will go in our bodies. And then on top of that, we bought containers for each and every item so that they had like their own little houses. You guys will see. You'll see in a second what I mean. It was a very, very large task, but I'm so happy it's over now. Thank you po, Lord. Tapos na po, and everything was so worth it. All right, okay, we're done with the intro. I'm sorry, I talked too much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's do this. Here it is, you guys. Here it is. The before shot. This is the current state of my living room, and it's definitely very overwhelming to see this. It's giving me a little bit of anxiety knowing that we're gonna clean this all up, and I'm so embarrassed at showing you guys how it looks like, but that's okay. That's the whole point, right? That's the whole point of showing you the before shot, because by the end of this video, it's going to look aesthetically pleasing and everything is going to look organized and have its proper place. I don't really have a game plan of what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna kind of wing it throughout. I don't know. What I know is we have to start right now. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's do this.
I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations.
If you know, you know. Also, if you know, you know.
Also, if you know, you know.
Face tripping off something that you done, yeah. I would never let some of our comfort and run out on you. I know we got our problems, but I would never walk out on you. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Even though you're stressed about the small shit sometimes, nothing I could say to you could change up your mind.
Wow, look at that. This feels like the first day we just moved in here, love.
I know. Flashbacks.
I have not seen it this empty since the day we moved in. Well, time to show them what we really have going on. Oh no, what have we done, love?
This is the damage. Wow.
No!
Wow. Somehow, we're gonna have to organize all this and put this all back there in their perfect little spot.
Well, I mean, a lot of things will probably be thrown away because they're expired, right? So technically...
You're not throwing this away.
What's that? No, you have like, I saw like 30 of those.
Nope.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with a broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half for you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know.
So I bought these containers from Target. I actually got a few of them. I went a little, crazy with them, and I got them in different sizes. But the best part about this is the little closure up top. So when you put it like this, boop, the suction doesn't happen yet. You have to press this little guy right here to get all the suction going. So you press it, boom, sealed and good to go.
Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay.
Just an FYI, you guys, we also started adding the expiration dates to the back part of the containers because, obviously we don't have the original boxes anymore, so we started including it as well.
Did you notice I've been lost, staying up to the break of dawn, hoping that you'll show a little warmth, but I feel the coldest when I'm wrapped around your finger. Did you notice that you put me through the wrinkle when you said that you needed solace that I can't offer you? I found a light in all this, something to get me through. Now every day is a challenge, top down, blowing smoke out. It's not good for my balance. It sounds great, but I'm burnt out. Cause now the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be all I am, cause leaving me so lonely only left me half a man. Now the highs aren't worth it, the drugs aren't working. Did you notice when I passed you yesterday that I was frozen? Thinking, flashing back, I can't live in the moment. My heart's still in the past, but we ain't spoken since you left me broken when you said that you